You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this interesting word. I know it looks quite confusing, by the way. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, more correct pronunciation, stay tuned. Pronounced as Julian. Let's break it down. Bu, it's a bu syllable, then a li syllable, quite a long e sound, and then ing. The G is not pronounced, it's an ing sound. Julian. Stress on the first syllable, the bu syllable. How to pronounce correctly in English. English pronunciation. Julian. Julian. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.